Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your TRX tokens from Uphold to KuCoin. Today, I'm walking you through this step by step so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and KuCoin. You'll also need some TRX in your Uphold wallet. Crypto transfers can involve fees, so check the current rates to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your TRX balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal or send options. It's that simple. Next, head over to KuCoin. Log in there and go to your wallet. You'll need to copy your KuCoin TRX wallet address. Double check this because getting it wrong could mean losing your funds forever. In 2025, platforms like KuCoin might have enhanced security, so look out for any two-factor authentication prompts. Now, back in Uphold, paste that KuCoin address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send, and review the transaction details carefully. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your KuCoin wallet to see your TRX arrive. A quick tip. Always use the official apps or websites to avoid scams, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you send TRX from Uphold to KuCoin in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.